Morning, everybody. Jeff from Busbucket Valley Garage. Happy Sunday. We just finished stripping the paper and everything off, so we got the top painted. Uh, it had a lot of defects in it, so fix that. We decided to make a blend line right here. We can take and easily buff that. We also painted a band across the back and down both sides. So yeah, we got a pretty good match on the paint, so we're pretty happy about that. So it will be dry here in about 2 hours. The paint is not the reason I wanted to talk to you today. I wanted to talk to you about a problem that we ran into, and let me show you the passenger's door. So in working on the passenger's door, we replaced the door lock, and the door striker had been hitting up in here, so it did some damage to the inside of the door, so we had to straighten that out when we take in and put the new locking assembly in, because the other one wouldn't fit correctly. So one thing that we did notice when we replaced the locking bolt isn't right here, and we went to screw it in and we adjusted it where it's supposed to go. This hole right here was stripped. Okay, now doing anything with this without extensive body work, because we either have to go in through here and then make another piece to go on the back here, but there's a real easy way to take and fix the threads on here. There are two methods actually. One is a helicoil, which is just like a wound spring that's made of high tensile strength alloy, or there's something called a key insert, where you, in both cases, you take and drill a hole bigger and you tap the hole bigger, and then when you put the insert in it, it brings it back to the size that you need, which would be the size of the adjusting bolt. Okay, Amazon, our favorite place, another sponsor, has a kit for the 71614, which is exactly what we need. Okay, they give you the drill, the tap, the installation tool, and they give you about 10 of these inserts. Okay, these things are really neat. Use those before. Use this tool. It's got a groove in the bottom of it, and you can see that there is a wire that goes across here in the bottom of it, and you use that to take and screw this coil into the hole. So basically, you drill it, then you tap it, then you take and screw the insert in. So we have the insert that's in here, and you have to make sure that you screw it in far enough, but not too far. On this one right here, since we have sheet metal around here, we can leave about 1 turn of the coil out, and that'll be absolutely fine. When you take and screw this into it, okay, it's only going to go in so far. The reason it's going to go in so far is because there is a little tang on the bottom of this right here. Okay, so they give you another tool that looks like this, that you just push it in and it takes and breaks that tang off. Okay, so just stick it in here like this, boop, and it breaks it off. Okay, so now what we can do is we can put a little bit of lubrication on here, bright anti-seize. We can screw that thing back in there. Okay, and it's going in just fine. So we can take and adjust that to where we need it, and it'll be great. Okay, no extra body work or anything, and this kit was under $20. So this is a Built It Tools, BILITOOLS. So decent little kit that they take and give you, and gives you everything that you need. It'll take and save you some time. You get some more for other jobs that you can take and use. So if you run into a situation, this is another solution. Okay, since it's Sunday, I hope you have a day off. We're just doing a couple of things because we were having trouble with the weather here in Los Angeles. We were trying to take and get a good day to paint, and it was just blazing hot. Paint does not do well when you're working outside and it is blazing hot because paint does not flow out and it looks like an orange peel when it dries. And this right here actually looks really smooth, so it flowed out pretty well. There's only so much you can do chemically. You can use different kind of thinners, use a slow fast or ultra fast thinner, but we used to use medium all the time. So I think it came out pretty good. Anyway, we're ready for another update. I'll take and let you know what's going on. Hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for viewing. Bye.